Hey there guys, so in this video I'm going to share with you how you can connect your bank to your account in Odoo and how the whole process works. So in the moment when you are going to be in Odoo, what I recommend to do is that first set up the company data for yourself, where you're going to find here. And when you are going to set up the company data, then you're going to have configuration here, and you want to go to settings, and you're going to have it primarily here for the accounting. And when you are going to scroll down below, you are going to find here the default accounts, and here you want to actually set up, I don't know what kind of accounting you got, but here you're gonna have the bank suspense and also the internal transfer, and these are the important things. And then you can have also like the journal, the generate entries, and you want to check these ones out. And how do you actually have it? So for example, this is for my own country and you want to do it for yours, so this is going to be important thing for you. Now, in the moment when you're going to set it up for primarily the bank transaction and payments, and you're going to come here to dashboard, you're going to find here the bank. So what you can do is that you can click here bank setup, and you can like choose and connect it to your bank that you got. So let's say, I don't know, you're going to have like just like a lot of banks here. And I can click here and I can choose here the business or personal. So let's say I'm going to click personal here or business. And then what you're gonna do is that you're just gonna have and connected account details and account transactions. Okay, confirm. And then you're just gonna like fill it out and connect it. Now, it really depends what kind of bank you got, of course, but that's how it works. That's for the bank setup. Then you can have also transactions here, where you can upload your own transaction. Like if you're gonna have the CSV file, you can upload the transaction to your accounting, right, module. So that's pretty much it, how it works, and how the whole process works for the uploading. And then you can click new, and you can click here the partner and also the amount here, or like write a label. So yeah. Thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.